Hello there, my name's Alex from Gardening Express, and today we're going to be looking at the Primrose Blue Zebra. So here we are in our polytunnel at Gardening Express, and you're going to see a plant that you're not going to see absolutely everywhere, so it's quite unique, is the Primrose Blue Zebra. And as you can see, it has these lovely dark leaves with also these white lined accents, zebra stripes, hence the name, the zebra. Also goes a lovely pale blue too, with this wonderful yellow inside to the flower. Like I said, it's relatively unique, it's a strong look, and it's a very hardy plant too. It flowers from winter all the way through to spring, so it will give your garden a really nice strong look in those early months of the year. So the Primrose Blue Zebra here, it's a very small plant, it's very hardy and strong, but as you can see, because it's so striking and bold, you only need a few of them in order to really set a nice tone in your garden. It does wonderful in pots, also in borders and beds, so it's a really unique plant too. So this has been the Primrose Blue Zebra. Make sure that you get yours today at Gardening Express for something unique and really eye-catching in your garden. And of course, make sure to like and subscribe our videos, and also check out our Knowledge Hub for more information on all sorts of plants and growing tips.